All right, this is a 2001 Honda Accord, the 4-cylinder. It runs and drives. As you can see, it has this little issue right there. Well, let me not say it drives. It definitely runs. I've found out so far that the transmission is slipping pretty heavily. I'm gonna try to clean this out and see if it does anything. I don't expect it to do much, but and plus this. Now that I look at that solenoid looks relatively, maybe not necessarily new. Those wires kind of do, but anyways, this is, I'm just gonna say this is gonna be sold as is, as if the transmission is no good, which I think it more likely will be. But let me show you the rest of the car. You can see, it's a used car. I buy unused cars. I buy scrap cars, junk cars, but this one was running. So this, and it still runs. I'm about to show you in a second. I just want to show you the full body of it. I did change the tires with the rims on there. I did change those out. I kind of got myself into it as far as time. So before I scrap it, I'm going to put it on and see if someone needs it for a motor, you know, and then you can scrap the rest of the car and actually end up having a free motor. So if somebody wants to do something like that, as you see, the motor, it starts right up. The motor is fine, totally fine on these cars. And I think it got what, it's got 216 on it, which is still good for these cars. These motors can go up to be like freaking 400,000 miles. And it seemed like someone did some work. They changed that motor mount. Seemed like they changed out the motor mounts. This looks relatively cleaner and newer. The wires, I'm sure they changed out this this ignition. The wires, and I'm sure they probably changed out the spark plugs. Looks like they changed out this solenoid before. This little hose is broke right there, but again, everything else as far as the motor is solid. You know, it's, let me rev it up. These motors stay running. So anyways, the battery is new too. So if it's something like you have this car and the transmission is, I mean the motor is no good, here's a motor. It's the 4-cylinder. This thing will run forever. So let me know. It'll be online for a cheap price, for a mechanic special type deal. I know how much these car, I know how much I can get this car for as far as if I scrap it. So if you're a scrapper, it's probably not for you. This is probably specifically for people who need a motor. So yeah, just let me know.